Hello children, today we are going to see the topic prepositions. Okay, what are prepositions? You tell me. It is nothing but it's very easy concept in grammar. I like this really very much. Preposition are words which shows the relation of nouns and pronouns with other words in a sentence. Like for example, in, on, under and between. These are some words which tells us where someone or something is. So, for instance, we have the cat is behind the house. Where is the cat? It is behind the house. So, what is the preposition here? Behind. Yes, correct. And second sentence, the ball is between Reena and Geeta. Now, you tell me which is the preposition here. Yes, correct. It is between. So the ball is between Reena and Geeta. Where is the ball? It is between Reena and Geeta. So what is this telling us? Where the ball is. So that's what preposition is. It tells us where someone or something is. Thank you.